Now you've learned the follow and lead. These are the most straightforward movements in shooting a cinematic scene. In this class, I will extend the techniques a little bit. Instead of walking on the same path, I will demonstrate how to film parallel to them. As its name suggests, you follow a subject at the side, walk in the same direction as the subject does. Instead of walking sideways, I found it easier to walk forward and pointing your camera sideways like this. If your camera has a swivel screen, it would be great help in this case. But if you don't have a swivel screen like me, you may need an external monitor. I'm using a wireless video transmitter, so here I can monitor on my smartphone. The rest is just like the following. You need the ninja walk to smooth out the vertical bounce and watch out the composition. The synchronized step is also required because I found you can easily lose your subject in the frame. You need to practice a couple of times. Make sure your path is clear before shooting. The parallel follow doesn't require you to always film your subject's profile. You can change the angle whatever you want, as long as it serves your purpose. In most cases, this is also combined with the follow or lead into a complicated movement.